What's up, world? This is Chaoticsonics. Depending on what kind of microphone you use will determine how you EQ and compress your vocals. Dynamic microphones will need more compression. Compress and EQ using your ears. I'm using the UAD 610B unison preamp with some EQ, bringing up some highs and lows, and high input gain for saturation, and a LA2 compressor. Bring out the high frequencies with a multi-band compressor or exciter. I personally like to use the Aphex vintage exciter. You can also use maximus to achieve a similar effect. You can also EQ the high frequencies if you're in a rush to perform. Then DS. I like to use maximus as a de-esser and using about 30 milliseconds of attack time, and then some more compression. Lastly, I add EQ and a limiter to mix the vocals with the reverb.
I want to play with someone like me, with no toxicity, someone that's living in reality. Do you agree? I want to play with someone like me. Do you know what I mean? Someone on my level, not so dreadful. Don't die on me, there's more fights to be seen. Clean your dusty screen so you can see. Follow your team to victory. We are the machine and we must believe. I want to play with someone like me, no toxicity, someone that's living in reality. Do you agree? I want to play with someone like me. Do you know what I mean? I need someone on my level, not so dreadful. Don't die on me, there's more fights to be seen. Clean your dusty screen so you can see. Follow your team to victory. We are the machine and we must believe. I want to play with someone like me, with no toxicity, someone that's living in reality. Do you agree? I want to play with someone like me. Do you know what I mean? I need someone on my level, not so dreadful. Don't die on me, there's more fights to be seen. Clean your dusty screen so you can see. Follow your team to victory. We are the machine and we must believe.
Overall, saturation, EQ, compress, bring out the high frequencies, and DS. Join my Discord. The link will be in the description below. Please comment, rate, and subscribe.